Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Today we're going to be talking about two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes, okay? The differences between two-dimensional and three-dimensional 2D shapes are flat with only length and width. 3D shapes have length and width and height. Let's look at some examples, okay? So the square is 2D and the cube is 3D. Alright? Oh, let's put that back over here. And so this is the circle, and that belongs with the sphere. This is 2D, this is 3D. And this is the cylinder. It's a 3D cylinder, okay? So this is a rectangle. It's 2D. And this is a rectangular prism. It's 3D. This is a triangle, and it's 2D. And this is a triangular prism. That's 3D. And this is a pyramid, 3D. And our last one is a cone, 3D. And these are the last ones. They are 2D. Hexagon, trapezoid, and rhombus. Okay, send some love to you. Bye-bye. I hope you like my video about shapes. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.